Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list, what I'm anticipating them to do in the next week, and how we can take advantage of them. Starting off with JPYX. JPYX last week created a crazy bullish engulfing candlestick, indicating that the bulls are back in control. As for weeks, we've been anticipating where it's going to reverse, where it's going to start having that bullish move again. Finally, the day has come. Prices have created this solid bullish engulfing candlestick. So I'm anticipating for the coming week, prices will actually continue with the bullish momentum. As you can see, it created a higher high and a higher low. So obviously, prices have a very high possibility to keep on pushing higher and keep creating higher highs and higher lows, meaning it's going to create an uptrend. So we are going to see how prices are going to keep on pumping all the way until up here, where this will be our first target. So with that being said, how's that going to affect other currency pairs? We have this CAD JPY over here. You can see prices have already broken below this ending diagonal pattern and this descending trend line. So obviously from there, I'm anticipating to see prices keep on dumping and keep on selling, right? With the first targets being somewhere here. So that's my view on CAD JPY for this coming week. And Euro JPY, same thing. Prices have created a lower low. After this low, this was the lower low, this was the high. Prices have created the lower high. So obviously I'm anticipating to see prices keep on dumping. So this will be the target I'm aiming for. Now, with that being said, if you'd like us to keep on seeing my breakdowns on the daily as the market unfolds, be sure to subscribe to this channel and be sure to join our free Telegram group that's linked in the description, as I'll be dropping daily videos on the breakdown, how I anticipate the market to play out on the daily, so that you won't miss out any day of the week. So once we get back to DXY, how we're anticipating it to play out, if we start off from the weekly, we can see prices have already spiked off this third. It gives us a third touch on this ascending trend line, and a solid bullish engulfing candlestick indicates that the bulls are back in control. So we are going to pump with this being the first targets. Obviously, with the momentum given, I'm anticipating to see prices break above that and keep on pumping higher. But first things first, these will be our first targets. Now, once we break that down to the daily, the targets will be somewhere here. And how will that be reflecting on the other currency pairs? We have USD JPY. I'm anticipating to see prices sell on this one. That being the first target, obviously conservative target, and this being the aggressive target as the move keeps on unfolding, right? But obviously with USD JPY, we still don't have a confirmation, so we're going to have to wait for the confirmation before we make any moves, right? With Euro USD, I'm anticipating to see prices keep on selling. As you can see from the weekly, prices have created a solid bearish engulfing, as prices have been losing momentum for a while now. So if we use a Fibonacci extension, we can see the first targets will be somewhere here. Right? That will be the first target we aim for. And the second target will be somewhere here. You can see here we have that structure. So I'll put it right there. So first target and second target. So pump, first target, maybe break, retest, second target. But obviously after this break, we understand that prices will start dumping as hell, as this was a solid structure. If this breaks, guys, it's sheesh, you know, prices will dump as crazy. But first things first, first targets will be here. Let's hope we just capitalize on that. GBP/USD, same thing apply. You can see here prices have been losing momentum as they were approaching this structure and finally have hit that descending trend line structure. Now, first things first, we're going to look for prices dumping until they hit this as the first target. And our entry will be solidified once prices break below here and give us a retest, then we can actually start selling. So that's what I'm anticipating on GU. With gold, prices have actually already broken below this structure here. So we're going to anticipate prices to keep on pumping, give us a minor retracement, and then keep selling until they reach these targets all the way down here. So that's what I'm anticipating on the pairs that I have on my watch list for this coming week, guys. If you found value in that, please consider subscribing. Join our free Telegram because you don't want to miss out. Until next time, guys, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. Let's have a killer trading week. Let's get that bag.